In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a chart to another sheet in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have when organizing your Google Sheets document, allowing you to manage your data visuals more effectively and professionally. To begin, make sure you have your Google Sheets document open with the chart you want to move. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and do that now. It's important to have everything set up and ready to go before moving forward, as this will allow you to follow along more smoothly. Once you have your sheet open, your next step is to click on the chart you want to move. Clicking on it will make the chart's options accessible, and you'll notice a border appearing around it. If you find that your chart is part of a larger data set that you don't want to move, just clicking on it specifically ensures you're selecting the chart alone. After selecting the chart, you'll want to look for more options. This can usually be found by clicking the three-dot menu icon located at the top corner of the chart. This is commonly referred to as the More Options button across Google platforms, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu of further actions you can take with your chart. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option to Copy Chart. Go ahead and click that. This will copy your chart to your clipboard, exactly like copying text or any other item on your computer. It's a simple step that prepares your chart for pasting elsewhere. Now, navigate to the destination sheet, which should be located at the bottom as a tab within your Google Sheets document. In this example, we'll move the chart to Sheet 2. Simply click on the tab labeled Sheet 2. This will switch your view from the original sheet with the chart to the new sheet where you'd like to place it. Once you're in Sheet 2, decide the specific location for your chart. Click on the cell where you want your chart to be aligned. This selection is crucial as it dictates where the upper left corner of your chart will land. It can always be repositioned later, but it's always good to get it close to perfect on the first try. Finally, right-click on that cell and choose Paste from the context menu. Alternatively, you can also use the shortcut keys, Command-V on Mac or Control-V on Windows, to paste your copied chart directly. Your chart should now appear in this new sheet, and you can adjust its position as needed to fit your design and data display preferences. By following these steps, you have successfully moved a chart to another sheet within the same Google Sheets document. This technique keeps your sheets tidy and your data organized, enhancing both presentation and availability for analysis. Keep practicing, and soon moving and managing your charts will become second nature, making your work in Google Sheets all the more efficient.